Let's start doing the numericals of the chapter motion in straight line. So let's start with this example. This is the example of relative velocity. Two parallel rail tracks run north-south. Train A moves north with the speed of 54 km per hour and train B moves south with the speed of 90 km per hour. What is the velocity of B with respect to A? Velocity of ground with respect to B, and velocity of a monkey running on the roof of the train A against its motion with a velocity of 18 km per hour with respect to the train A as observed by a man standing on the ground. So here two trains are there whose velocities are, let's write, velocity of train A is 54 km per hour towards north. Velocity of B is 90 km per hour and this velocity is towards south. So this is clear that both of the trains are moving opposite to each other. First question is, part 1 of the question is, what is the velocity of B with respect to A? Velocity of B with respect to A is velocity of B minus velocity of A. Now we can, if I draw the directions here, train A is moving in this direction. This is velocity of A. Train B is moving. This is S and this is W. So train A is moving in the north direction. Train B is moving in the south direction. So you can see both of the trains are moving in the opposite direction. So let us consider this direction I am considering as positive. So what we want to write velocity of B with respect to A. So velocity of B, if you are considering this direction as positive, then this would be negative. So velocity of B is minus 90 km per hour and velocity of A would be considered as positive because this direction we are considering positive. So this would be 54 km per hour. So what is the velocity of B with respect to A? This would be 144 km per hour. So this is the velocity of B with respect to A. Now the second question is velocity of ground with respect to B. Velocity of ground with respect to B. This is the part B. Velocity of ground with respect to B. So that would be velocity of ground minus velocity of B. So velocity of ground is 0, that we know that ground does not move at all, and B, that is the velocity of the train, and this is moving towards negative direction. So we can say that this is minus 90 km per hour. So what you will get? 90 km per hour. You see, when the train is moving in this direction, any passenger who is sitting in the train B, it will appear to him that the ground is moving in the positive direction with the speed of 90 km per hour. That is velocity of monkey running on the roof of the train A against its motion with the velocity of 18 km per hour with respect to train A as observed by a man standing on the ground. Okay, or simply we can find, we want to find out the velocity of monkey with respect to ground or a man standing on the ground, that would be the same. So let us consider the case here. Let us consider this is a train. Now you see this train is moving with the velocity, train A is moving with the velocity 54 km per hour and this monkey is moving with the velocity of 18 km per hour, and this velocity is what? This is the velocity of the monkey with respect to train A. So this is given. Now we want to find out the velocity of monkey with respect to the man who is standing on the ground, or simply the velocity of monkey with respect to ground. Ground is at rest. So velocity of the ground is 0. So this we want to find out. So let us see. We are given velocity of monkey with respect to train A. That is velocity of monkey minus velocity of train A is given. and you see it is moving against the direction of motion of the train. So this direction is already negative, so you can write here minus 18 kilometer per hour. This velocity we have, we want to find out the velocity of monkey, and you see this velocity of monkey is same as velocity of the ground minus velocity of ground. So this is with respect to ground, because this is already 0. So what we are interested in? We are interested in Vm, that is velocity of monkey. So let us find out this. Let us substitute this value here. So Vm will become minus 18 plus Va. So this is minus 18 plus Va is what? That is 54 kilometer per hour. So you can subtract this. This will become 36 kilometer per hour. So this is the velocity of monkey with respect to a man who is standing on the ground, or in other words, so this is the absolute velocity of the monkey. So this is the solution of your example 3.9.